Sneezing has long been associated with various spiritual meanings across cultures, despite the lack of scientific backing. For instance, in some Asian traditions, sneezing suggests someone is speaking about you, with the number of sneezes indicating the nature of the conversation. Polish beliefs attribute sneezing to criticism from a mother-in-law, while Hindu culture views it as a sign of good luck. Native American traditions see it as a spiritual blessing, and ancient beliefs suggest it may protect the soul. Sneezing can also signify upcoming misfortune or internal doubts, as well as serve as a reminder to mend strained relationships. The number of sneezes carries specific interpretations, with 3 indicating good luck and 8 symbolizing fortune in Chinese culture. In contrast, repeated sneezing could suggest a need to focus on personal goals or to honor one's creator. Overall, these interpretations highlight the diverse and intriguing beliefs surrounding the act of sneezing.